coverage with the angle is nice. The baseball cap is good, but not required. It's still dry. Still dry in the shoulders. I'm only wearing a t-shirt though, so I can feel the heat being drawn away by the fact that there's water resting on the material. Now this has like a rubber coating here, and what it does is it prevents water from capillary action, prevents capillary action from bringing the water up inside. Still what I would call a normal rain. It's not heavy yet. Out in the rain. So far, I'd be perfectly happy with this. The only thing I would change is the layers I'm wearing. Start the mid-weight fleece. If you're static and in a middle or northern state, have your base layer, a heavyweight fleece, or a puffy, and then this. Right now it's probably in the low 80s here in South Florida. I am not sweating. I'm not moving, but I'm not, bursting into sweat with this normal South Florida heat. I'm also out of the sun because of the cloud cover. Still not getting the rain I want, but I did see yellow and purple on the radar. But it might be a few minutes until that arrives. Some features: upper arm pocket, each side, chest pocket, each side, double storm flap, probably keep those chest pockets dry. Bellows pocket. I don't know what these are really called. And warmer pocket. Pretty deep. But the bellows pocket goes all the way to here and like to there. It is enormous. There's two of them. And as far as I can tell, this is a jacket. And the multi-cam, the OCC one, is a shell. So it doesn't have chest pockets, it doesn't have these, it doesn't have these. It has two zippers here that are pass-through to whatever you're wearing underneath. I don't feel any wet spots. Still not sweating. I am wondering what can be done for the hands in terms of waterproof gloves. Now, to my knowledge, I think that's Tornado. But the watch hasn't beeped or anything. Or it's vibrating. So this is brand new, so the DWR is, beautiful. I was looking for water in these hand warmer pockets, but I don't feel any water pooling up inside the pocket. We had pretty good torrential downpour this morning. A big one yesterday. Equally big one the day before. I was kind of hoping this would be like those. You can see the water sheeting across the lake. My legs are relatively dry. Well, really mostly dry. So I don't know about, having rain pants or something. My feet are wet though, so I know people lose their minds over waterproof boots, but it's definitely my preference. No wet spots. I do have the, what do you call these? Pit zip. They're all zipped up. They're not waterproof zippers. They have a storm flap instead. But it's lightening up over there and over there. So you may have to revisit this. I think I see some darker clouds over there. Hopefully they'll be over here. So we'll come back.